Everything needed to make a canoe is harvested on Satawal. Rope is made from coconut fibers. Coconut husks separate into fine strands called senet. Senet rope is coarse and binds on itself to make good lashings for canoes. Breadfruit sap, warmed by fire, will make the seams of the canoe watertight. The flexible outer husk of a coconut provides ideal caulking between planks. Each plank has been carved to an exact shape. Wedges and palm fronds hold the planks in place until the breadfruit sap has had time to set. Two weeks later, the canoe is almost finished, and the temporary lashings are replaced with senet rope. Canoes have been built this way for centuries throughout the Pacific.